Watch very closely to what my cat does when I touch the hairs inside of its ear. Oh, come on, you don't like the light? Nope, she hears the dogs. I think I'm bothering her. Oh, Topaz, what happened right here? Was it midnight? I'm gonna kill that cat, I swear. Let me grab your ear. Did you see her ear bends like that? Her ears are never up like that, or are they? Oh no, it's really weird now. That's so cute. Oh my god, her ear bends like that. That's so creepy. Ugh. Oh my god. I'm not even putting pressure on her ear. I'm just like touching the inside and the outside of her ear. And she bends her ear like that. It's so cute. 3 minutes and 3 seconds just for my cat. Oh my god. Topaz. Topaz, where's midnight? Topaz? Do you hate me right now? Sorry. There. I'm probably being a total jerk to her right now. Boop. So cute. Oh, so cute. She's cute. I like her. I have another cat, but I don't know where she is, and I don't want to get rid of Topaz. It's my cat. I'm not at my own house, so... Ooh, look, I found a little brush to brush her fur with. I'm not at my own house, so I won't do my original outro with the trash bin. Because I'm not at my own house, and I don't know where the trash can is here. Because usually I'm up in my room when I'm here.
Oh shit, for a second there I thought that was you hanging from the fan. I was like...
Why would you think
I
that?
don't know, so yeah. It's me.
I think she likes her fur being brushed. I'm not sure. What are you watching?
This horrible video.
What is it?
This woman abusing a baby.
Oh, wow, that's... Well then. Look at all that fur that comes off. Hey, then look at her ear. Watch. I don't know if I'm annoying her or not, but I've been recording it for the past like 5 minutes. But look at all that hair that comes off when I comb it. I don't think she likes that light. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here.